Hello future engineers, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're still new to my channel and you like what I'm doing, please don't forget to share my videos to your friends and to your friends' friends. That's one way you can keep me going, inspired and refreshed. Now, if you find my videos interesting and important to your studies, also please don't forget to subscribe. So Engineers in Progress 1.2, still on properties of real numbers. So list the numbers in order from smallest to largest. And for your part C and part D. So for part A, let us first write in the same order the numbers so that we can have an idea which number should be first written from smallest to largest. So 6.2 is still 6.2, 2.6, 12 over 5 is 2.4, square root of 2 is 1.414, then 6 over 2 is 3. Therefore, when arranged from smallest to largest, it should be 1.414 first, or square root of 2. Square root of 2 followed by 2.4, which is 12 over 5. Then 2.6. Then 6 over 2. Then 6.2. So square root of 2, 12 over 5, 2.6, 6 over 2, then 6.2 the largest. So that's it for part A. For part B, this is absolute negative of absolute value of 2 minus 5. 2 minus 5 is negative 3. Absolute value of negative 3 is positive 3. So negative positive 3, that's negative 3. So let's arrange negative 3, positive 2, negative 2, negative 1.4, negative pi. 6 minus absolute value of 3 is 3. So the smallest should be negative pi because this is negative 3.1416. Next is negative 3, which is negative of absolute value of 2 minus 5. Next is negative 2, which is negative absolute value of negative 2. Then negative 1.4. Then negative of negative 2 or positive 2. Then the last is 3. And 3 is 6 minus absolute value of 3. So negative pi, negative absolute value of negative 2 minus 5, negative absolute value of negative 2, then negative 1.4, then this is positive 2, negative of negative 2, this is positive 3, which is 6 minus absolute value of 3. So that's it. And for your part, this one should be negative 8, negative 6, negative 4, 5, 7. And I will not, for this one, this should be the first, negative 4. Second is negative 1 minus negative 2, which is negative 3. Third is absolute value of 4 minus 2 because this is positive 2. Then fourth is 1 minus negative 2 because this is 3. And the last is absolute value of 3 minus 8 because this is positive 5. So that's for your part. Then verify that a square plus b square plus c square is always greater than equal to absolute value of ab plus bc plus ca in the following cases where a is 3, b is 4, and c is negative 3. So 3 square plus 4 square plus negative 3 square is greater or equal to quantity 3 times 4 plus 4 times negative 3 plus negative 3 times 3. So 3 square plus 4 square is 25 plus 9, 34. 34 is greater equal to 3 times 4 is 12 plus 4 times negative 3, 0, then negative 9. Absolute value of negative 9 is positive 9. So that should be the comparison. Then that's for your part. Verify the inequality quantity A plus B plus C quantity square is less than equal to 3 times quantity A square plus B square plus C square in the cases where A is 4, B is 3, C is negative 2. So in this formula here, in this left side of the equation, 4 plus 3 minus 2 quantity square is less than equal to 3 quantity 4 square plus 3 square plus negative 2 square. 4 plus 3 is 7 minus 2 5, 5 square 25, that's 5 square less than 3 times 4 square plus 3 square 25 plus 4 29. So 25 is less than equal to 87. And for your part, show that 49 is less than equal to 51. You have to show that 49 is less than equal to 51. Then verify the inequality quantity AB plus CD square is less than equal to quantity A square plus C square times B square plus D square in the cases where B is 2A, C is 3A, and D is 4A. And for your part, A equals B equals C equals D. So substitute here. Quantity A times 2A plus 3A times 4A square is less than equal to A square plus 2A plus 3A quantity square times 2A quantity square plus 4A quantity square. So again, A times B is 2A plus 3A, C is 3A, D is 4A. So that's the result, quantity square less than equal to A square plus C squared. C is 3A quantity square times quantity B square, which is 2A quantity square plus D square 4A quantity square. So 2A square plus 12A square quantity square is less than equal to A square plus 9A square times quantity 4A square plus 16A square. So this is 14A square quantity square less than equal to 10A square times 20A square. So 14A square is 196A to the fourth is less than 10 times 20, 200A to the fourth, less than equal to 200A to the fourth. So that's it. And for your part, do your share your way of participating in this video.